Dominic, how are you guys today?
Good.
Daily Fantasy Playland.
Hey guys, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe either for more videos. Like.
Ouch, Miss Elsa!
Oh, you're Miss Elsa! Okay. Olaf!
Today we have to Play-Doh Summertime Olaf.
Wow, you got Play-Doh! So okay, tonight we're gonna have Play-Doh Disney Frozen Summertime Olaf! Yeah! And in this box we have Olaf itself, some accessories for Olaf to create those ball, hat, umbrella, whatever you want to do. There's some star also. And it includes 5 Play-Doh inside.
Even a sparkle compound.
Yeah, there's a sparkle compound. Okay.
That's the special edition.
Nice. That's so cool. That is for ages 3 and up, right?
Yep.
Got also some egg
Surprise!
surprise. Yeah, we got 3. You want to open it, Daly? Daly's gonna open her yellow egg, and Dominic's gonna open his blue egg. Oh, what's inside, guys? Oh, that's a Kinder Surprise frozen egg. How about you, Daly?
Same.
You got the same?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Daly got a frozen egg too. What's the pink one?
Another one.
Another what? Kinder frozen egg. Yay. Yeah, they're all the same, Dominic. Which is cool because we got all up here. Okay, guys, open your eggs.
Already cracked it. Egg inside and then egg.
No, that's a capsule, Dominic. It's a yellow capsule. What's inside your capsule, Dominic?
Maybe a toy or something else.
There's a toy for sure. Who
Anna
you got?
as a kid.
Oh, you got a kid Anna. Wow, there's the kid Anna. Daylin, can you open your egg and crack the chocolate egg now? Wow. Okay, I will help Daylin open the capsule.
I'll have some chocolate.
Yeah, you go have some chocolate, Dominic. Oh, look at this one. It looks like Elsa. Here's Elsa from the second egg. Yeah, awesome. Okay, I'm gonna open the capsule from the third egg. Elsa firing some ice.
That's really good chocolate.
Yep, Dominic.
Olaf.
Uh-oh.
This has vanilla inside. That's the kid version of Elsa.
Yeah, it's the kid Elsa. Look at that. Okay, it's time to open our Play-Doh Frozen Summertime Olaf. Okay, open it, guys.
It has tape.
Put all together. It's so strong.
Yeah, it's so cool, Daly. Wow.
Show me Play-Doh.
So these are the Play-Dohs inside. Okay, we got Olaf's head. We're gonna open Olaf's head first. We got a knife here. Yeah, hold it. Olaf's arms.
Wow, it's so big.
Yeah, the body and arms and the head.
I got the Play-Dohs.
Yeah, Dominic's opening the Play-Doh. This is Olaf's stand. So this is our molder here. We got a beach ball, a carrot for the nose of Olaf, and the juice here. Here's the molder. We have different stuffs in here that we can do for Olaf. Also the eyeglass. Yeah, Daly's gonna start now.
Yep.
Open the Play-Doh.
Okay, we're gonna open the Play-Doh and we're gonna start making Olaf.
What should I make?
Okay, this is Olaf's body. I'm gonna stick it to the stand like this. There you go. Okay, this is the other half of Olaf's body. Okay, I'm gonna put Olaf's head now.
I have his
Oh, this is so easy, guys.
Where's his other arm? Okay. Oh,
Okay, put the arms, Dominic.
ta-da. And...
You put it wrong way. Should be on top. Okay, I'll close this hole here.
Okay. I'll make
him the way how the box has him.
Okay, good. Okay, Dominic's is putting Olaf's arms. Okay, another one.
Ta-da!
Okay, I got Olaf ready. Now we need to make the nose and the buttons. Alright, Dominic made the cane already for Olaf. Here's the third button.
Ta-da! I'm
Look
done.
at Olaf, there's no nose yet.
I'm done.
Oh, that's the hat. Wow, good job, Dominic. Okay, we got the hat already for Olaf. Okay, you can use it. Wow, that's Olaf's nose. Good job, Daleen. Look at that. It made Olaf's nose. We're gonna put it now. There you go, Olaf. You already have a nose. Okay, we're gonna try and make that juice for Olaf. I'm gonna use the blue dough here. Check on Olaf's juice.
Make sure it's not cold.
Macy? Wow, look at that. I got it. Oops. This is Olaf's juice.
It's Olaf's nose.
Olaf's nose, yeah, you got a blue nose for Olaf. Alright, here's the juice.
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Yes. Got the castle.
Okay, I'm gonna stand the ice castle here, right beside Olaf. It's so cool.
What?
Wow, that's the sun.
Perfect shape.
Yeah, looks cool.
It's not
It's
gonna.
summer. It's gonna melt Olaf. I'll make the beach ball, guys. There you go. Press it. There you are. Awesome.
Everything.
Look at this.
Whoa.
Whoa, perfect. I got a beach ball.
Perfect shape.
Yeah, beach ball for Olaf.
Whoa.
What do you got there, Dominic?
The seagull.
The seagull?
It turned out.
Wow, you did a good job. It's pretty awesome.
I can't get the access, or
I'll remove it for you. Okay, I'll remove the excess from the seagull.
Whoa, that's
This is so
sick.
cool. Yeah, look awesome. Look at his eyes. You got the glasses done, Dominic? Wow, that looks so cool. Put it on Olaf's head. Careful. Awesome. Dominic's making a shovel. Cool.
Shovel.
Wow, may you see the shovel? Here's the clamshell that Dominic made.
And here's a star.
For a star. Wow, so cool. That's a starfish.
I'll make a small
Yeah,
hat.
Daily.
Wow.
Wow, look at that. Daily made another seagull. Cool. Okay, here are the stuffs that we made. You see the orange ones, these are all seagulls that Daylin made from the molder, and she is still making more.
Mine is broken.
Dominic's seagull is broken, the black one. We already have Olaf and the other stuffs for his summer vacation. Okay guys, so if you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up. Yeah, awesome, Daylene. And don't forget to click that subscribe button down there to watch out for more new videos from Daylene's Fantasy Playland. And if you want to see more Play-Doh stuffs like this, please leave it down in the comments below and let us know what Play-Doh playset that you want us to feature in our next episode. So until next time, guys. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe and watch the next and previous videos.